I want to show some weather here real quick. And my the new OBS I just downloaded. It's a brand new copy, brand new computer. I can't copy my screens. I had this happen once before. This is just how it is. I got to remove it, reload it. It's a big pain in the ass. But anyways, we're getting these weird signatures again, or whatever this is. If you look out by the Bahamas, off the coast of Florida, simultaneously, again, off the coast of Australia, same as the one video I did a while back. I think it was during that polar vortex. These two locations somehow are connected. Right here and right here. Look at this. And then when you get zoomed in, you'll see they black out a lot of the radar. So what I've learned is when they hide shit, they're hiding it for a reason. So here we see there looks like there might be a radar, if that's legit. Then they do these burned out spots with a lot of electrical activity in it. I'm sure this is just normal. See that? And then if we go all the way over to Australia, it's going to look the same. It's going to be blacked out. Look at this. The special section, blacked out again. Can you guys answer this for me? Why is the radar blacked out on the same two exact locations quite often now? Look at all this activity of electricity in the air. You can't tell me there's not something parked out here. Or ELF frequencies, one or the other. They could do ELFs from boats too, you know. This is all covered up radar. Oh, except for this little piece. And we know they blocked the radar a few weeks ago. The military said they had to for whatever reason. And then we had the word about the chaff. Remember they were laying all that chaff on the East Coast? And you see all these storms and everything they're getting? And now we got all this rain coming in California that's going to hit the Midwest, by the way. We're not out of it. Hang on, let me show you the rain coming. Hang on. All right. I'm going to play this. You got a big hurricane-looking thing off the coast of California again. This monster that just left the East Coast here. You got weird colors showing up right here, same place where that weird lightning is, but whatever. Let's play this. Oh wait, I think these are in the way. No, yeah, they are. Well, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There we go. Sunday, north of Illinois. Look at this rain. Look at this cloud of water. You have one running to the north up by Alaska, and Washington State's going to get crushed again, it looks like. But this is thousands of miles across the Pacific Ocean. One giant long cloud. That's real normal. We look like there's some funky shapes here in Africa, it looks like. Let's take a look. Yeah, they got those weird lightning bolts. See this? What does this mean? It's not on the key. So is it top secret again? They're blocking out the radar. What are they doing? I mean, so many people feel like shit all the time lately. You're tired. You get these weird. You feel like you're a half a second off. Look at this cloud. Goes from west of Australia all the way to Mexico. That's a long drive, if you know what I'm talking about. All right, hang on. Let me get to the space stuff. Okay, here's the space weather. You can see the wind speed In the middle one here, got up to 600-ish. Right here in the middle. 607, 670, 700. Oh, what do we got here? Hang on, let me open this up a little wider. 700, 726. Hang on. So we had a strong pulse again. That's over 1,000,000 miles an hour. See, 300s is about average right here. It was before that right here. So around 2 o'clock UT time, a big blast hit the earth again. So we want 2 o'clock. See this right here, 2 o'clock. Shrink that back down. Let's see what the impact looked like on the other ones. Let's go right here. Look at the gigawatts. This is North America, I believe. We'll go backwards. Here's something I'm not usually used to seeing. See this line, this red line? I think that's the satellite they're showing. That might be the space station, and this is what it looks like. That's something new they've added, and I saw that going by at first. I believe that's what that is. Why they're showing that, I have no freaking clue. They're really pushing the space station is real hype lately, and I think that's why they're doing that. But anyways, here we get 22 gigawatts. That's getting up there. I've seen this thing hit 100 gigawatts before. There's energy slamming into the north. These are electrons, and you can see I'm going backwards right now, so it's going counterclockwise. If you look at the South Pole, it'll do the opposite. All right, let's take a look at this one. Here's New Zealand. Okay, it spins the opposite way. And how many gigawatts are we looking here? 20-ish. Let's go to that 2 o'clock mark, which puts us before here. So that 2 o'clock explosion we just saw was before. I can go back any further here. And they're showing the space station going around. They never used to do this. But look at that electricity getting so close right here. This is right near where all those lightning strikes we're seeing. I don't think they're lightning strikes. I think those are some kind of plasma discharges that we're seeing. And you can see the plasma here. I threw these charts up. That's the northern hemisphere. And then we're getting the double, triple bow echoes here. Let's take a look. Double, triple. These never used to happen. You can go back, look at anybody's old videos, including mine from 2017 alone. This never used to happen. It was a single line. The bow of the front of the Earth's magnetic shield was a bow, like a bow and arrow. You pull the bow back. It's only supposed to be one bow. You don't have 4 bows, 3. So whatever the hell this is, who knows? Nobody will tell you. I'm not smart enough. All I know is I could see that it's not right. So I watch it all the time. And let's see, here's some more gigawatts going on. New Zealand. You can see the pulses. It's not as high as I've ever seen it. I've seen it, like I said, I get up to 70, 80, 100 gigawatts. So, this looks kind of normal to me. But whatever. And then here's the other angle. This one doesn't show you the speed. But we will take a look anyways. This shows you wind direction, and you'll see sometimes these things swirl. Looks like a whirlpool in a hot tub. Going pretty quick backwards. Oh, this is the speed one. We already did this one. Hang on. Oh, man. I can't get rid of it. There we go. I want this one here. This is a spider-looking one. Let's see what the spider does. Did we get any transfers? See, lately we've been getting the red transfer into this ball and into this ball behind the Earth. And today it's kind of quiet. So we probably didn't get any weird sunsets today. I didn't look at them yet. You get that weird discharge like the Earth pulse coming off the back, and there's a lot of it there. But the sun's quiet. There's no poofs going off on the sun. So where the hell all this energy is coming from? I have no idea.